thought I would show you how I put the tea lights in the back of the Kimberbell Main Street Celebration bench pillow. And I have started on one end, which is what you're supposed to do. The instructions tell you to start on one end. I taped the control over here just to keep it out of the way, and it makes it easier when you're installing the lights. So I'm going to show you on this section here is when you're putting the lights in, you fold this, kind of put a bend, find the light there, and put a bend in the wire there, and put your hand underneath. Whoops. Put your hand underneath there and stick that through the hole, just like that. Turn the pillow over, and here you see it through the hole. Okay, and then what I do is I separate the wires again, and then kind of pinch it together there as best you can, and I twist it about 3 times. 3 to 4 times is fine, so you can see that there. And then push it through, but don't push it all the way through. Turn this back around, and I kind of center it there, hold it there with one finger right there. Guide this one to make sure, this wire here, to make sure that it goes towards the next hole. And you definitely have plenty of time there, plenty of room to do that. And then what I do is I grab my low melt glue gun. Don't use a high melt glue gun. It's not necessary. And I take this and I put some hot glue right there to hold it in place. And then I let it dry for a minute or so. And there you can see, I check the lights and make sure they all work. Turn it over, and so you can see how they work there through the pillow. So that's how I put the tea lights in the bench pillows. And here's what the pillow looks like when I have it right side out. And all the lights are installed. Now I did have 2 extra lights on the strand. I just cut them off with a wire cutter. And just because there was nowhere to put them. So here we go. I'll just have the lights on solid now. Thank you.